guys, I'm feeling like I want to treat myself today, and I kind of already know what I want to buy myself. I'll show you. Yep, it is the Nike Dunk in Coast colorway. Let's do it. I've been wanting this shoe since it dropped, so I think I'm just gonna do it.
This is also a sign for you if you've been wanting to buy something for yourself. This is it, girl. Treat yourself.
Come join me. Anyways, it's currently March 7th and it's a Sunday, and right now it has a lowest ask of $2.90. And let's look at the history. It did went down, so I'm like, might as well. Like, the lowest it has been is like $2.75. And this is the overview. I am so excited. Look at that heat. Anyways, like I said, it has $2.90 and I'm a size 8.5 in women's, so let's go buy it. I'm feeling risky right now. Let's do place a bid. I've never done this part, so let's try it and let's see if they accept it. They said that the highest bidding is $268. Let's go try $270 and let's see if someone like takes it. I just don't know how this works. So the total pay that we're gonna pay if they accept our $270 bidding is $292.05. Alrighty, we're gonna go next. Alrighty, it looks like success. If this doesn't work, I will let you guys know. I'll just probably buy it like for $289 right now. So hello, so it is the next day. It looks like someone placed a new highest bid, which is $275. Looking at it right now, the highest buy is $275. So I'm not gonna outbid the bid because it's $275 right here and I can just buy it for $275. Oh my gosh. So that is that. I'm just gonna do it. Review purchase. Purchase price is $275. Sales tax is $24.52. Processing fee is $8.25 and shipping fee is $13.95. A total of $321.72. I am gonna confirm it. I'm happy with that price. Yay! Order confirmed. I can't wait to see you. Oof, we got the goods. Hey, what's up? What's poppin'? How you doing? So it's been a week and a half, I believe, and we finally got the goods, and I'm so excited to open it. And also, I feel so echoey in my room right now. I am moving some stuff because we're doing a little room makeover, so if you guys want to check that out, make sure to stay tuned, subscribe. Let's open this. But before that though, if you guys are new here in my channel, hi, my name is Maggie and I post videos every single week, so make sure to hit that subscribe button. You already know where it is. Come subscribe, it's free 99. Alright, so let's get the keys and let's open this box. I cannot wait. And I'm doing this backwards so you guys don't see my address and everything. Yee! Oh my god, I am so excited. I see the box. I don't need no one. Oh my god. Here it is. Here's the box. Like I told you, I open it backwards. So here is the shoe. And you guys know we love bubble wrap, so good job, Stockx. I mean, they only put it on top, but you know, it's better than nothing, I'm assuming. Let's see if there's any damage. From what I'm seeing, it looks pretty good. I mean, there's some little dent right there, but you know, that's fine. Alrighty guys, we're gonna go see this together, but before that, I got size 8.5 in women's. Here it is, and this has a retail price of $100. Lucky for the people that got the dubs, because they only paid $100. But for the people like me that don't have plugs, we have to pay a little extra, you know. Anyways, let's open this bad boy. Okay, I know this. Every time I open things, there's plastic and it's not really the shoe like I'm seeing. Anyways, Stockx actually gives like a card that says thank you like for buying at Stockx, blah blah blah. And this one has a cost figurine, yes. And we also have the receipt right here. As you guys saw on the video, we got this for a total of $321.72. So that's actually good because that's with the sales tax, processing fee, and shipping. Like right now, the resale price is like this plus all the hidden fees. Now that it's out of our way, let's actually open this bad boy. Guys. And also there's Stockx sticker right there. Can we take a moment? Like, seriously? Like, I don't even want to wear it anymore. Like, this is so pretty. This thing is much nicer than the pictures that I've seen online, because I already like them like on the pictures, but in real life, I'm not sure if you guys actually care, but it came with Stockx stickers. You guys know I love stickers, so I appreciate this. And also, let's not forget about this verified Stockx tag. This shoes was actually released on February 8th, 2021. The release date on these was very scattered because at first they said they were gonna release it on January like 14th or something like that, and then it kept moving back. I'm not sure like what happened. This dunks right here is just a general release. It's not a special project like the Kentucky and the University Red. So yeah, that's why I'm not really agreeing to the resale price of this, because this is just a general release. That's just my issue, but other than that, yeah, it looks good. Who wouldn't want this? As you can see, we do have the UNC inspired colors, which are the UNC blue, which I love. We have the sail color, and lastly we do have the University gold right there. I personally love the colorways on this. I love the pop of color. It just gives it a little bit more swag. We do have a sail toe with a very soft leather, which we love because we don't want our feet hurting. The tongue looks like this, and it has a Nike logo with the color of the University gold and another Nike in the back. And as you can see, the lines are crisp. We love. Only came with one pair of shoelace. It has that UNC blue color, and at the end it has a touch of gold. And then there's a tag right there, and this is what the sole looks like. And the bottom sole, it just has this UNC color blue. Like, I cannot stop looking at it because I just love the way this color blue looks like. And I'm not sure if you guys can see what I'm seeing. Those are little stars. Like, what? Like, don't lie to me. This is a cool shoes. Like, this is such a great addition to my collection. Right now, across the board, you guys can see this reselling for $310 to $430, and that is all depending to your size. Like I said, I felt like I got lucky because I got this for a purchase price for $275. Like, the prices are actually shooting up, so if you guys are interested on these, make sure to do your research. Like, make sure that you really like them. It is an expensive shoes, like, I'm not gonna lie, that is a lot of money. And that's it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure to give it a like if you like it, also subscribe if you haven't. But yeah, I'm just so happy that we have another shoe that we can add to our collection. And also, today's shout out goes to you. Thank you so much for commenting. And yeah, I think that's pretty much it. I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye guys. I love my shoe. I love my shoe. Bye.